In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make this transition all by yourself. I'm going to use Lovart to create this. I'm going to show you all the steps that you need to do. We're going to use our own video at the end, so you'll make a transition from orbit in the sky all the way down to the location of your own video. So let me walk you through all the steps that you need to do. So let's get into it. The first thing what we need to do is we need to go to Lovart.ai, and then we're going to start with a new project. And in the new project, I'm going to paste a prompt. And you can copy paste this prompt. I will put the prompt in the description of the video. They can just copy it and paste it in your own screen. Now you have to change the prompt a little bit because mine is made for my location. I have in my prompt in these brackets my location, and you can just paste your own country or city, whatever you want to use. So we are using an agent to generate everything, and with the agent we can easily just tell him what to do and he will do everything for us. So just copy and paste the prompt and then just fire it up, and it's gonna make this location for you, actually the image of the location from a satellite shot. Now while this is being generated, we also need a image of ourselves in the location that we want to use. So what we need to do is we need to take the first frame of our video. If you're gonna use a video, just take the first frame, make a screenshot of the first frame of your video. Now I have this video, and what I do is I just open this up in my browser, or actually just in Mac, and then I press right mouse and I just share image, and I just airdrop it to myself, to my phone, and then back to my computer, and I can use this as an image. So you can also make a screenshot of your image like that. Just make a screenshot. When you make a selection like that, just make a screenshot of your image, and that image we're going to use for our end frame. So the first frame will be the frame in the satellite, and end frame will be the first frame of your actual video. Now going back to Lovart, we can see that our image is already generated, and this will be the start frame. Now to generate the video, we're going to use CDance 2.0, and CDance 2.0 has some restrictions when you use faces of people. It needs to be approved. So if you're going to import an image without approving it, it's not going to work. So what we need to do is we need to go to Lovart, and then we have here more, and then we have select from assets library. And here you can upload faces of people, of influencers, especially yourself. You can upload your own photo here, and then it will be approved, and then you can use it in the videos, right? So I have my own photo already approved because I uploaded it here. So just upload your own photo, the screenshot of the first frame of your video here, and it will be approved. So we're going to use this one. First, let's go back into Lovart, and I'm going to paste this prompt. And again, this prompt is made for my video, so you have to change it again. So let's read the prompt. We're going to generate let's do a 5-second video using CDance 2.0 in 9x60 vertical 1920 by 1080 resolution using EMG, and this one you need to replace. So this is the start frame. I'm gonna delete this, and I'm gonna press add, and then I can select the image that I just generated, this kind of satellite photo. So this will be the start frame, and image, this one we're gonna remove it, and then we're gonna press this more and plus, and we're gonna select from assets library, and here I'm gonna select the approved image. So this will be the image of yourself. I'm gonna click apply, and it's gonna be here, and that's all we have to do. And if you have your own video, you have to change the location again. I have my own location, so change it to the location you have. And make sure you check the prompt, because if you have a different location that is not on the beach and you have something in the mountains, for instance, then you need to change the prompt just a little bit, just to make sure it looks right, because I have here coastlines, and there might be no coastlines in your location, right? So make sure to read it through. And all we have to do is to just send it, and it's gonna generate this video, and we just have to wait until this is finished, and that's pretty much it. All right, so the video is generated, but obviously the video ends at the start frame of your video. So what I do is I take this video that I just generated with Lovart, and I put it in my video editing software like DaVinci Resolve or any other software that you want. And this video ends here. And this is the start frame of the video of yourself. And you just place your own video after it, and it will instantly transition into that video. And you can play some music to it. You can see here I have some fading in music coming into the frame from the beginning until this one. And this is just the music of the video that Lovart generated. That one I'm just fading out, as you can see here. And that's pretty much it. And then you get this really awesome video from your own video using AI and Lovart. So that's pretty much it. All the prompts that I used in this project are in the description of the video, so that you can just copy paste them and change them to your own liking. So make sure to like this video and hit subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.